Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method, tap on Manage Keyboards and the keyboard. Finally, click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save it by hitting apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into exactly the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!